Hey, this is Mrs. Outkehill. Let's continue to talk about circuits. We've been talking about snap circuits, but now let's talk about some places that you might see electricity. So if you've seen one of these before, this is just a simple flashlight, but this is a circuit inside. So let's take a look at it. If I open it up, you might recognize some of the parts. Now you know that the batteries are the power source. Anything that is metal or a conductor, like the ring and the spring, that is your path that the electrons travel through. And where do they go? Well, they go right here to all of these LED lights. And so when you turn on the button, you are making a connection between all of the path between the power source and the load. So now that's how your flashlight works. Let's look at another example. So you might know how a radio works and you might not. So this is a small radio. If I put in my power source and paying attention to the positive and the negative, here's my power source. Here's my power source. Here is my path, and it's connected through some wires. Now there's some other things inside of here that make the radio play, but my path goes to the sound. So in order to hear it, I'm going to plug in my headphones. And guess what? This is all a conductive path for electricity. So now the electricity is also traveling through my headphones, and now this is my load. It comes out here. So when I turn up the volume, let's see what kind of stations we can get. And there we go. We can hear some sound coming through in my headphones. So I still have power source and a path, and the path goes all the way down here, and now here is my load. Another example is the light that's on the end of this. I can press the button. It goes from the power source, the path goes to this light, and here's the load, and it returns back again. So everything that turns on is a circuit.